I tested traffic magnets for 7 days. And I almost quit on day 2. Let me guess. You've tried everything to get traffic. You post content. Nothing happens. You try affiliate links. No clicks. You watch tutorials. Still confused, and slowly you start thinking, maybe this just doesn't work for me. That's exactly where I was. I was putting in effort every single day and getting almost 0 results. No traffic. No commissions. Just frustration. So when I came across traffic magnets, I was honestly skeptical. But I decided to test it anyway. Not for a day. Not for 2 days. I tested it for a full 7 days. And what happened during those 7 days, especially on day 3 and day 5, completely changed how I look at traffic. But it didn't go how I expected. So what exactly is traffic magnets? In simple terms, it's a system designed to help you get traffic to your offers without complicated strategies, without spending a lot on ads. Now, I've tested a lot of tools before. Some were too complex, some were overhyped, some just didn't work, so my expectations were honestly low. Day 1. I got access to the members area. First impression: clean, simple, beginner friendly. No overwhelming dashboards. No confusing setup. Step 1. Choose your traffic method. Step 2. Follow the training. Step 3. Apply the system. It felt easy. Almost too easy. And that made me skeptical. Day 2. This is where I almost quit. Because nothing happened. No clicks, no traffic, no visible results, and I started thinking, here we go again. Another useless product. But then day 3 came. And something weird happened. I checked my stats. I had clicks. Not a lot. But real clicks. And that moment was the first sign that this might actually work. Day 4 and day 5. I kept following the system. And this is where most people fail. They quit too early. But I stayed consistent. And slowly, traffic started increasing. By day 6 and day 7, I started seeing more consistent clicks, better engagement, real potential now. This wasn't some crazy $1,000 in a day result. But it was real progress. And that matters more. Let's talk about what's inside. Step-by-step training, traffic strategies, templates, beginner guidance. One feature stood out. It simplifies everything. No fluff. Just action steps. But here's something nobody tells you. This will not work if you don't take action. This is not passive. This is not automatic. And that's where most people fail. Beginner-friendly, simple system, real traffic potential, low entry cost, slow results at start, requires consistency, not for lazy users. The front end is affordable. But yes, there are upsells. You don't need all of them. Start small. Link in description, if you want to check current pricing. Compared to other tools, easier than most, less technical, more beginner focused, but not the most powerful for advanced marketers. Buy this if you're struggling with traffic, you're a beginner, you want a simple system. Skip this if you want instant results, you won't take action, you expect automation. So after 7 days, was it worth it? Yes. But with realistic expectations. This is a starting point, not a magic tool. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. Also, I've included bonuses if you get it through my link. And remember, the tool doesn't make money. You do?